Hi, this is the Scene, and today I'm going to do a starfish, and it's going to be a super easy, relaxing tutorial. This is gonna probably take like 10-15 minutes if you do one starfish. You can always do a series and you can make them different colors. Now, to sketch the starfish, you can start first with a six-pointed star and then round all the corners, and try not to make them all super straight, just to make it more like the starfish is moving around. So the first thing I did is made the big starfish wet, and then I ran the lighter blue color, and you can make it any color you want, on the edges, and they start getting kind of dispersed with the water. And then I added a little bit of a darker color in a few areas just to make it more interesting. And now I'm just doing a tiny bit of color for the tiny little guy there, and I am going to do a different color for the partial tentacle that it's pointing right on the top. And just to give you an idea what colors you can use, but you can make it actually purplish reddish. It will be so cool. So I'm adding like really a lot of dots, but then I'm going with a clean kind of dry brush over them and taking part of the color away, so it makes them kind of like spots, and it was just easier to do it that way than adding the water again and waiting until they start moving around and getting a little softer. So I'm going to add outlining to all the starfish, and that's going to make them pop out a little. So obviously just add the color that's gonna go with the color of the starfish you're doing. A little bit of red and blue will make kind of a dark purple, so I added that, and you see already how this starfish looks a little bit more two-dimensional. And then on a few of the dots that are on the top, I added a little bit of a shadow on one side, so it looks like the letter C. And I added a little bit of a greenish color. You don't have to do that, I just don't like to see too much white on the canvas, so that's my reasoning for adding that, but you can leave it absolutely white. So the next one I will do is super pale, kind of like a dirty purple, but it's very diluted with water, so I'm running it on the bottom side of all the tentacles, and pretty much I'm not even worried if it overlaps, because that paint is so transparent that it's not going to hurt anything. And then I'm going to wet the surface of the rest of the canvas. So we're gonna drop a little bit of an ochre in a few of the areas, and that is going to help big time, just to make it look like they're sitting on something. And then right after, I'm going to add another variation of the shadow to the starfish, kind of to make it a little bit deeper shadow closer to the starfish. So pretty much the shadow is going to be two parts of a shadow, but you can always leave it with one. This is supposed to be super relaxing painting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what do you think. I would love to see what you guys do, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you get notifications for my future videos. We'll see you soon. Happy painting!